was just the background. Cool.
Paul.
Yes.
You're an Agile ninja, quarterback, Scrum Master.
Yeah, I'll call myself a software development coach with Agile and Lean is sort of my focus area.
Tell me about this weekend. What do you make of it?
Wow, so it was remarkable. I learned an awful lot about how to do customer development, particularly using the validation board. I'm actually very excited to take this into areas inside the government where I mostly focus my efforts for two reasons. And as I'm joining the alumni group, I'm actually trying to list these. The first one is going to be around trying to do internal labs, much like what the Library Corporation does, and run internal experiments for when we come up with ideas and make sure we actually have real customers inside our organization. The second one is when we want to get data that we want to get out, where we are creating web APIs or something like to that effect for our customers so that other people can consume them. I'd like to see that we're getting customers that we think, the hypothesis is that way, and that would be running it like a little startup, doing that as a startup before you just kick off the project. But even more importantly, if we're going to create a web API that other consumers are going to do, and we're going to do these data paloozas like Todd Park's been doing, I really would like to see us actually demand that they go through this validation process as well, so that we become the judgment and we can kind of, even though they want to run off and do it, but at least we know at that point they're building valid businesses.
So what does Lean Startup offer that Agile doesn't offer, doesn't have, or how does it complement it?
It's very complementary. It's complementary in being rapid, but it does allow you to focus on the customer a bit more and not just on product features. It gets you quickly to business value, and you're still going to be refining that business value as you go through the implementation, but it actually confirms that you got a business value proposition in the beginning. I think that a lot of times that's very, very difficult, and particularly in the government we try to do this by big committee and we don't really put anything out there that people can actually see, taste, or get the right kind of conversations going with some of the people. So I think that will really help out a lot.
Did you have fun?
I had a lot of fun. It was great.
Good.
So thank you very much for the opportunity.
Thank you.